Okay guys, it is another beautiful week for us today, and of course we will be checking out the trending markets together. Okay, so we will be looking at the direction of each of these assets and see what we should focus on whenever we are trading throughout this week. Okay, so this is very important because it will serve as a proper guide for us whenever we are trading. This has really been helping most of my subscribers to make more money throughout the week. Okay, so we will be trying it out again in today's video. However, before I go fully into it, if you're just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course guys, I will advise you to browse through the channel, learn my strategies, practice very well on your demo account, and try it out on your real account. And if you are yet to give me a follow, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, I will be doing my analysis on higher time frame, so you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. This is Boom 1000, and of course this had been an uptrend for a very long time. Once you see the yellow flag, you will notice that it has been an uptrend for a very long time, and it got to this region and it ranged around there for a while before breaking out above the resistance zone. Okay, got to this particular resistance zone again, had a little pullback, and of course went back up. Okay, so it has gotten to another resistance zone, but this is still buying. Okay, you can still see the yellow flag, so it is still buying. Probably it will be trying out the resistance zone again. If it's unable to break out from there, so it's most likely for it to go back on downtrend right from there. Okay, so but yesterday it finished with a bearish candle, but today it has started with a bullish candle, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, so you should watch out for that. Okay, so next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is Boom 500. It started from the support zone and it has got into the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from that resistance zone, so it started a downtrend right from there. It's so till it got to this particular support region, and of course it has not been able to break out from there. Gave us a W around there. You can see it right from here. 1 2 3 4. This is the fourth leg, and it's bought till it got to this region, add another pullback, and it most likely giving us another W around there, so the last leg will move up. Okay, so we are most likely to still have more of a buying opportunity, which means it's still likely for us to have more of an uptrend, except if it does not break out above that resistance zone. That is when it will sell. Okay, so let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend from there. But after getting to this resistance, so you can see it got there around there, so it has gotten there again, and it has not been able to break out from there, so it had a pullback. But we need to take note of this. Okay, right here is a support zone. It's most likely for it to want to get there before pulling back, or probably it gets to this particular region. Okay, let me bring out another one. It has gotten here already. Okay, you can see this is the first part where it's pulling back, and of course if this pushed it back totally, then definitely it will be trying out the resistance zone. But if it breaks out from here, it will be getting to this region to see if it will break out from there. If it does not, then it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so at the moment it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and as you can see, today it started with a bullish candle and it is still going bullish at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be Crash 500. This is Crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend for a very long time, but got to this resistance and was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there, and there are little pullbacks in between. It got to this support and was unable to break out from there, and it pulled back, and of course got back there again, having another pullback. If it's unable to go beyond this, then it will come back and try it out again to see if it will break out from there. For the past 4 days it has been bullish. Okay, so this is still on uptrend at the moment until it is unable to break out from here. If it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will go back and try out the support zone again, and once it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so this is still an uptrend at the moment, but this might not be for a very long time before it to go back into a downtrend, most especially if it's unable to go out above the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is a volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on a very strong downtrend for so many weeks, guys. It had been on a very strong downtrend for so many weeks, and of course it is still selling at the moment. Okay, it is still very much on a downtrend. Okay, so if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it's most likely for us to experience an uptrend right from there, but for now it is still on downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today, and of course all you just need to do is just to understand every part of the strategies and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Remember, most of us will be trading on lower time frames, so take your time to bring it down on lower time frame and see how you can apply everything on lower time frame. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.